Guys, it's SoberRS, and we're going to be going over BirdHouse runs. First of all, you're going to want to complete the quest Bon Voyage. I don't believe the quest requirements are high at all. Sorry, I don't have RuneLight. I am on mobile, so I can't really tell you the current requirements, but you can look it up yourself. It's an easy quest. Basically, get that done, and you'll have access to Fossil Island. Once you have access to Fossil Island, you'll be able to build birdhouses or buy them from the GE and do birdhouse runs. They're quite good XP. I am 82 Hunter, but I think I did 40 to 60 or some crazy amount of levels from birdhouses. They used to be better GP as they gave more nests, but now they're still good. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go to your bank all your stuff, get some weight reducing gear. In this case, I'm going to use Graceful. Of course, weight reducing gear is not 100% required, but it's handy. All right, so I'm going to go to my farming tab here. Let's see. You can use a games necklace. Nope, sorry about that. I mean a dig site. I'm going to kill myself. You're going to use a dig site necklace here and dig site pendant 1, and basically you can make these by getting sorry for this scuff tutorial here. It's you're basically gonna be able to enchant ruby jewelry, and you get that level and you can do it and make your necklaces out of gold necklaces and rubies. But pretty much all the tutorials tell you that, and they make a fucking, excuse my language, a 10-hour video about some garbage. Basically, what you want to do, get a house tab. Get a couple house tabs if you'd like. 3, 4. I'm getting 4 birdhouses. I'm getting seeds. Pretty much most hops work. Kandorian, barley, jute, Asgardian. You're going to want to get 10 for each house. There are 4 houses, 4 places to spot it. Go to the bank and get some coins. Basically, you're going to want to... Okay. Basically, what you're going to want to do is go to the GE and buy yourself a birdhouse. There are multiple types of birdhouses here, depending on your hunter level. You can, of course, craft your own. If we go to crafting here, you can see blah blah. You can see others. Here we go. Craft a birdhouse trap from normal logs. Okay, we have level 5, level 15, 25, etc., etc. Now, since I'm 82, I'm going to be using magic logs into birdhouses. You can craft your own. You get a little bit of crafting XP, but at the level I am, I didn't want to cram up my crafting level and really get all those levels for no reason. If I can just buy them from the GE and still profit and get good XP without having to build my own birdhouses. So basically, get yourself a couple birdhouses, 4 in exact. Okay. Now we have our house tabs, we have our birdhouses, we have 40 jute seeds or barley, Kandorian, Asgardian, which one? They're all very cheap seeds. What we're going to do is, let's see, what else do I need? That's about it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to house teleport. Of course, make sure you've gotten a house already. Once you have a house, of course, you can use other people's houses. All the other videos I've seen out there, basically, they're telling you to make these necklaces, and they make a whole big deal out of this, but it's really cheaper and easier to use in-house. Alright, let's go to Drew G. People basically have dig site necklaces, unlimited use for free inside their houses. You're going to go to the teleport, go to Fossil Island, or go to the dig site if you're doing the dig site quest. And actually, yeah, I'm pretty sure you can still teleport here, but if you can't, sorry in advance, if you can't, You do have to make one dig site pendant, and you'll take it and use it. I've already done it, so it's not going to work. Use it on the machine. Use it on this machine, or yes, it's the broken machine here, and you'll be able to teleport directly here with the necklace. But I believe you can teleport here with the house teleport necklace on the wall. Okay, so what you're going to do is first go to the Verdant Valley. And what you'll see here is a spot for a birdhouse. And you place your birdhouse down, or you build it with a hammer, and I don't know if you need any nails, maybe some planks, I'm not sure. You put your birdhouse down, put in 10 seeds. You do that to all the houses. I'll run through them right now. And basically you get, actually let's see, you get exactly 1,140 XP per house, which is quite nice. Place the house, add the seeds. You can do a birdhouse run in about 2 minutes. So basically, as I was saying before, let's go to Mushroom Meadow, the last one. As I was saying before, basically, you're going to profit a little bit of money. I mean, I'm getting some shitty RNG here, but usually get some decent seeds, mostly for the XP. Empty your house. Every 45 minutes, you can do a birdhouse run, basically. You do get some seeds, the meat, bunch of meat dropped here, raw bird meat. No one really uses it. We're here. We're going to run all the way down. Sorry, I wasn't facing north. Should probably do that. We're running all the way down here. That's where we are on the map. That's the camp if you do come here, off the boat right here. Basically, you can run around here. This is where you need to go. House on the hill to turn your pendant on that, to teleport here if you haven't done that already. Use the mushroom up there, running all the way down here, all the way near this dark area on the left side. There's the last house. Right in here. Right click, empty birdhouse. Some XP, place your house down, put in your seeds, and we got some nice amount of XP from that. Let's see if we got any seeds. Trash. Alright. So that's pretty much it. This is SoberRS. I hope you learned something out of this. Have a good one.